The Evelyn Winters Adventure.
I get asked a lot about how to set your margins and your paper size for your manuscript. First of all, what you need to do is type in KDP template into Google. Look for paperback manuscript templates Amazon KDP. First of all, watch their video guide on how to format your manuscript. Then decide what size your manuscript will be. They give you a list of all the sizes without bleed and with bleed. These sizes are given in inches and centimetres. Bleed means you'll be using an image which will extend to the furthest part of the page. This allows for the cutting. If you're not using any images, you will need a template without bleed. Once you've decided on your manuscript size, you can download a template. This will open in a zip folder. You can choose from a blank template or template with sample content. Simply click on Download. This will appear on the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Select and then choose your language. For this example, I'm going to choose 5 by 8 inches. Enable editing, then select the Layout tab. In the Page Setup group, click on the launcher. Under the Margins tab, you will see the Margins settings. Under the Paper tab, you will see the paper size, width and height. It is here where you will adjust your paper size if you are intending to use images which will bleed. Use the KDP guide for your bleed size. For a 5 by 8 you will change it to 13 and 20.92. It's as simple as that. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button just below this video.